Hello, crypto traders. In this particular video, we are diving into the Bitcoin hash rebalance indicator. Okay, if you have ever wanted a better understanding of Bitcoin's network health and miner activity, then this video breaks it down step by step so you can read the signals like a pro. Now, we need to understand what the Bitcoin hash rebalance indicator is, right? So now let us check for the hash rebalance, all right? The Bitcoin hash rebalance indicator is a tool that tracks Bitcoin's hash rate, okay? That is the total computing power securing the network and miner behavior. So by looking at this data, the indicator helps traders identify periods of minor capitulation, right? When miners sell or stop mining due to low market prices or high difficulty, and also periods of recovery when they return to mining. Right, you can see this particular indicator, hash rebalance, capital investment. You can see the inputs here. We have the plot type, we have the hash rate short SMA in days. You have the hash rate long SMA in days. You can decide if you want to see the plot signals, plot halvings, and the plot raw hash rate. All right, and then you can see the source hash rate. You can see into the block BTC hash rate. Okay, that's for the source, right? If you want to use this, you can select that. Okay, and then you can decide if you want to see the inputs and status line. All right, and then you can see the coloring. You can actually modify the colors according to your taste, and then this is for visibility and all of that. Okay, so this indicator can be helpful. All right, now understanding these dynamics is crucial because miner activity affects the network and can give insights into market sentiment. Now, minor capitulation happens when Bitcoin's price drops or network conditions become difficult, leading miners to shut down machines or sell their holdings. So this creates stress in the network and is reflected in a decline in hash rate. All right. Now, recovery occurs when miners turn their machines back on, rebuild the hash rate, and resume normal activity. Okay, the Bitcoin hash rebalance indicator, you can see how it visually tracks these patterns, making it easier to see when minor capitulation ends and recovery begins. You can see how, okay, this particular texts are not very legible. The text where the capitulation was written, all right? But you can see different data here available, right? You can see capitulation, buy, and then all the whole lines, moving here and there and all right? So you might find this quite interesting if you are interested in, hash rate related information about Bitcoin's network. Okay, so basically traders use the Bitcoin hash rebalance indicator to interpret market conditions. When the rebalance signal recovery after capitulation, it indicates a healthier network and increased miner confidence. Watching these signals alongside price action can help traders understand potential trend changes. Okay, the indicator doesn't predict price directly, but provides insights into the underlying Bitcoin network, which can influence market behavior. Okay, so how do you read signals? Reading the indicator is simple. Look for periods. Look for periods where the ribbons converge. All right. During capitulation, just look for periods where the ribbons converge during capitulation, and then separate during recovery. Okay, the separation signals that miners are returning and network stability is improving. Okay, so you can actually combine this with other tools like volume or trend indicators, to time entries or better understand Bitcoin's market conditions. Okay, this makes it a powerful addition to your crypto analysis toolkit. All right, you don't want to use this indicator as a standalone indicator. Okay, you want to also add your price analysis indicators to your charts, depending on the kind of trader that you are. If you use, pure price action for your analysis, then very well, you can go ahead, plot your levels on your chart, do your price action analysis and what have you. If you have any other indicators that you usually use for your analysis, you can add the indicators to your chart, do your analysis, and then add the hash ribbons as just extra data, right? It could just be a source of extra information to guide your analytic process, right? To guide your decisions, okay? If you want to make decisions in the market, you can just use this indicator as an additional indicator to guide your trading decisions, okay? Not to use it as a standalone indicator, because of course, you have to do your price action analysis to know where to enter a trade and where to exit a trade. Okay, it's very important. All right, this should not take the place of your technical analysis. Okay, now this is it for the Bitcoin hash ribbons indicator. It's a window into miner behavior and network health, giving you a deeper perspective on Bitcoin's market dynamics. So if you found this video helpful, like it, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so that you can stay updated on more Bitcoin insights and crypto trading strategies. You can use the Bitcoin hash ribbons indicator to read the network and gain an edge in understanding market sentiment. In the meantime, thank you for watching. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy trading.